What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's up, loves? Welcome, and welcome to our family. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking that button to check your girl out today. Today, we're going to be unboxing GlossyBox, and I think this is the March box. Yes, happy March, my loves. For all my March birthday people out there, happy birthday to you guys. So guys, if you want to see what's in my March glossy box, you know what to do. Hey, don't move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up? I'm your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, and we're about to get right on into this unboxing, boo. We ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna give a shout out to my 5 first commenters. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Today's drink, we have red wine. Ooh, let's take a dance break and a drink break. What y'all thinking about the nails today? They're a bit long for your girl, but I am loving them. Yes, boo. All right, so let's stop talking. Y'all know I like to chit-chat it up, but we're just going to get into the specs of GlossyBox and unbox her. This one is a beauty subscription. It's $21 plus free shipping each month. You're supposed to receive 5 deluxe, sometimes full-size products in this box, and it's always supposed to have a value of at least $60. I do have a link down below that will get you your first box for $16. So what a deal that is, right? Yes. So let's go on and get this baby open and see what March has in store for us. When we open up the box, this is what she is looking like on the inside. I like that they went back to their pink little box. That's our box for the month of May. Lord, girl, I said May. March. I don't want to rush the month, trust me. Love the inside packaging, and those are the contents on the inside. Packaging, y'all know, for GlossyBox is always like sickening. So let's go on and pull the string and see. We got a little pamphlet this month, and it says Pretty Pleasures. Ooh, okay. And there's all of the products we got on the inside, and yeah, let's just go. Let me drink first. First up, we have from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. That is what she is looking like, my loves. Now, I do have combo oily skin, so I don't have any dry skin, but my mom does, so I will be passing this on to her so that she can test it out. Let's get our little booklet out and see. So this is a deluxe mini product, guys. It is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, and it is in the grapefruit, I guess, scent. Now, I don't know if my mom could use this because I know she had an allergy to grapefruits before, so we may give this to someone else. It says filled with nourishing ingredients, including shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. Is that right? This fresh citrus-scented moisturizer will leave your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated after one use. And this one, guys, is the mini. It retails for $5, and the full size is $36. Okay, I know there's a seal, so we won't open it. Oh, it's no seal. Okay. I don't really smell grapefruit. And it's just like a white little cream. I'm going to give it to somebody in my family so I could swatch it. All right, it's a white little cream like that, and we rub it out. Oh, it does smell like grapefruit, guys, and that's how it leaves the skin. So it's a nice little moisturizer. I'm not mad with that. Oh, right, and I do love First Aid Beauty, so that's a plus. Next product is from Espa, and this is the Geranium and Petitgrain Hand Balm right there. That's what it's looking like. In here, you get 75 milliliters of product. This thing is huge. And let's read up about this one. So this right here is, oh, wow. This is a deluxe mini. Wow, this is huge, though. Okay, so this is a bergamot and jasmine no rinse hand cleanser. Oh my goodness. Now I could definitely take this with me to work, like in between my patients, but I do like a good hand washing, but I think that this would be a quick, alternative to that. This is an absolute essential that can be pretty and pleasant to use. This quick drying hand sanitizer is infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils with a 60% alcohol content. This effective antibacterial cleanser is perfect when you're on the go. All right, so y'all know with, coronavirus and all of that, you need to keep you some sanitizer in your purse, your pocket, your jacket, whatever. So just in case. And this is the Deluxe Mini, 75 milliliters of product, guys. It's a Deluxe Mini. Wow. This retails for $10, and the full size, which is 250 milliliters, will retail for $28. So I am definitely excited to get a hand sanitizer. And it's like a cream. Can y'all see that? So I'm excited to put this in my work bag and use it. Yes, baby. Our next product is from Soon Skincare, and this is the Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. Right here, you just get one pair in this box, and this is one single treatment. This is the extra little treat actually that GlossyBox put in the box for us. So it is the 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patch. It says, these incredible eye gel patches are the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity, I always struggle with that, and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. Before you cleanse your face, you're going to gently place the patches under the eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to sit back, relax while they work, and enjoy some me time. This is one treatment. It retails for $6, and in the box you will get 30 treatments, and it retails for $54. So okay, I do love a good eye patch for when I'm just kind of sitting around doing nothing. I could put a little eye patch on my eye. Yeah. Next up is from Caldui. I don't know how to say that. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see. That's it right there. And this is the Vino Perfect Serum. It's a radiance serum for complexion and correcting. And you apply this in the morning and the evening before you moisturize. Now, y'all, they say you have 10 milliliters of product in here, but you get about this much in this bottle. I hope y'all can see with the light, you literally get this much. So that's probably enough for just one application. It is not full at all. Okay. This best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredient is 62 times more effective than vitamin C in boosting radiance. All right, so this is the Deluxe Mini, retails for $26. The full size is $79. With skincare, we know we need more than just one application. So although I would be interested in trying this product out, getting one use, you won't be able to see any results. So I wish they had a little bit more in this bottle. So yeah. And then we have from Clean It Zero. Is that what this is? Let's see. Okay, so this is the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying Gel, I guess. That's what it looks like right there. It is a sherbet-like balm that removes even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. Okay, perfect. So this is like one of those makeup removing balms. You do get, how much? This is a little bitty size. And here you get 5 milliliters of product. Retails for $3. And in the full size, it would be $22. And oh, okay, has a nice clean scent, and it's like a real little balm. I hope you guys can see that. It's like a lip balm. So okay, I love to use these types of balms to get makeup off of my face before I go into my normal cleansing. So I'm excited about this. And we have one more product in our box, and it is from Cobb Cosmetics, and it is a lip gloss. That is what it's looking like. Now, I think that this is Kim Zolciak that used to be on Real Housewives of Atlanta and her daughter's makeup line. I know we got something like this, or a lip liner from them in BoxyCharm. This is the packaging, which is actually really, really nice. And I have the shade Sugar and Spice. And it's just a lip gloss, guys. So let's open it. Ooh, smells like bubble, like maybe a cookie or something. That's the applicator. Ooh. That's the shade right there. And we're going to add a little bit to our lips just to see. Oh, make me look like I got an ash in mouth. But but it does feel really nice. If I lined it with a liner, I bet it would look pretty, but okay. Cool. I like this actually. And this right here, my loves, is the full size and it retails for $18. All right. Girl, my mouth look ashy. Ooh. All right, y'all. So that was our final product in this month's Glossy Box. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Cobb Cosmetics this lip gloss, from Espa this hand sanitizer, from First Aid Beauty this cream moisturizer, from Calduli this nighttime serum, from Clean It Zero this makeup removing balm, and our extra treat from Soon Skincare, the Golden Eye Mask. So we got these 6 products this month. Final thoughts on GlossyBox is y'all know that GlossyBox is a really skincare heavy subscription. And for the most part, a lot of the skincare that they give actually works really well with my skin. It's not a lot of like added chemicals and, any harmful things to the skin, toxins and stuff like that. It's usually pretty decent skincare. I thought the products this month were pretty, okay, they were decent. I do like that we got this makeup removing balm. I do like the lip gloss that we received, the hand sanitizer. So those 3 products are what I'm most looking forward to using. This didn't really have nothing in it. So, I mean, this wouldn't even be like one good use. And I don't have dry skin, but I still may try this moisturizer out because I'm always looking for a moisturizer. So I don't think that it was a terribly bad box. I just know that GlossyBox is skincare heavy. I do, however, wish that they would add a couple more full-size products to their boxes since the price is $21 a month. And that would be like the only negative I have about GlossyBox is I need like a couple more full-size products in this box. But yes, guys, I thought overall it was a pretty decent box. Let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on this box. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams now. One for my YouTube, which is TonyaNicole, and one for my nail channel, my nail page, which is Nails by TonyaNicole. I'll have both of those linked down below, guys. So make sure you check them out. And that's all I got, y'all. I will talk to you all in the comments as well as on my next video. Yeah, and y'all have a blessed day. Cheers. Bye-bye.